குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ திருநீலியம்மன் துணை. ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. Pisces Lagna Bhava benefits. Pisces house is the first sign. The 12th Bhava, the Bhava of prodigality and licking solitude and hiding crowds, also represents boredom, frustration, love of sleep, love of ayana bath, love of intimacy, hatred of native place, lack of desire and interest in the land of birth, lack of attachment will be related to them, going away from a place to another place, going to solitude island, going abroad are the bhava that can be pointed out as the 12th bhava. Being unwilling to stay in one's hometown means not wanting to live with one's family or a sense of frustration without attachment all represents this bhava. A learner prefer privacy, unable to be happy in a crowd, unable to the dependent says he does not like noise. If the 12th bhava is associated with the Lagna Lord, this is the mood. But this applies to Pisces Lagna. This is a common trait. Why there have this quality? Because of the 12th bhava, they live in hiding. Because they have 6, 8, 12 hiding place, 8 dark secret, supernatural, all these things don't happen outside. 6th first has 5 court case, this also happens unexpectedly. 12th intimate world bedroom, their private half, their food, sleep, the dream that may occur in it, like this the private world is the 12th sign. Similarly, those who love the private world, those who love private life are Pisces Lagna. This is their general character. If you keep observing the old people born under Pisces, you will understand one thing. They will educate their children, brought them up well and lead a good life, but they don't depend on children and trust them. They live in a individual house and stay alone. They don't care who sees them or not. They want to be alone and at peace. They don't like crowds, so they like to stay away from everyone. Children and grandchildren need will rise in old age, because there will be physical illness and health disorder, but even at that time they will think that they should be alone. Then think, how will their young age be? What are the benefits of Pisces Lagna? These are the knowledge related to the medical world, wisdom, awareness related to the hospital, foreign world, work industry and business. Everything is looking for them. Medicine, world based experience, wisdom, awareness, foreign life, foreign business, foreign world, wisdom, experience, information, repositories, etc. all depend on them. Whether these they use the information that comes to them constructively or waste it. Those who waste this matter will waste life. This is a general rule. Although these two resources come naturally to them, the usage depends on them. The sun is cursed. There is double dosha. They are father-son relationship by blood. There is unknown friction, an unknown problem, and the relationship will continue to leak and crack. He will have a leaky relationship between father and son. There will be small and big quarrels in the father-child relationship. That is because Lagna has sun karma and this situation exists. Aries house is the second sign. Desire, income, means of income, speech are not blessed to them, no such privilege, there is no allowance for them enjoying itself. The income that comes without your intervention, like rent, property, land lease, resources, will not help you and they will not be able to enjoy the benefit of second sign. Taurus house is the third sign. Neighbors, close friends, younger brother, father in law, telephone, Facebook, WhatsApp, in contact who don't come face to face but through social networking sites, online transaction, check, DD, money transfer by card, goods transaction, all these are this bhava. Doing services, helping our business in these above related aspect will give merit and growth. Cell phone, internet, communication device, Twitter, shorts, distance travel, electronic products, all these are the third bhava as well. The third bhava represents printer, email, and Xerox machine. It is a burn to them if they dedicate themselves to the service of cell phone recharge, cell phone, SIM, pen drive, memory card sales, and checking small business related to communication and do it dutifully will get blessings soon. Gemini house is the fourth sign. Education, skills, movable property, immovable property, and mother. All these are aspects of this bhava. Do not open your mouth in matters related to this house. Talking or boasting can lead to trouble for them. Pisces native should not talk about education, house, property, car, vehicle, transfer, property, mortgage, and sale. If you tell, it will be a problem. Do not talk or share anything about your mother. Cancer house is the fifth sign. The fifth house is the house where the blessing of a son, the eldest child, our selfishness, desire, love, ambition, interest, commitment can all be sight. Native wealth, possessiveness is also fifth bhava. This bhava is unstable. It's like water and keeps flowing. It is not available when we ask. It is available on its own. Blessings of suns that come and go like waves of the sea. Things related to love, self will, desire, lust, ambition, art, science related things, available benefits, sports, literature, good worship, family deity worship, puja, spiritual desires, work time, remaining time, all these are the fifth bhava. All things related to the fifth bhava are unstable. Use it when it comes. If you miss the change, you won't get it later. The first child should not be abroad. Then there will be a situation where you will not be blessed with a son. Grandfather property should be taken advantage of when available. You should take advantage of the opportunity to learn astrology. If the opportunity is missed, there will be no time to learn it later. Similarly, whatever is available regarding the fifth bhava should be taken advantage. Arts, science, spirituality, medicine related field and astrology are all related to the fifth bhava. Learning the spiritual arts of astrology comes easily and naturally to them. Fifth house related arts will give them success. Libra house is the eighth sign. Spouse, family, maternal uncle spouse stations belongs to eighth bhava. Mother's family, maternal younger uncle friend, brothers, mothers in laws, elder brothers, these people will get benefits through eighth bhava. The wastage happened through this will help them strengthen the connection of worldly people. Thus, it is good to be shamed in this aspect. Through them, you can know the maturity of the relationship. A bhava that gives the ability to talk to people, dealing with them maturely and will help them develop their skills. We will get an experience only like that. Through this, they will gain experiential wisdom. Outside world knowledge will works through the eighth bhava. Eighth bhava business is second hand sale, accident, robbery, police investigation, paranormal business, where to find hidden buried secret, study of orthology, insurance and accident insurance. Then learn they learn how to handle people, and because of it they will have great respect for them. They will have huge respect because of the eighth bhava. Maternal grandfather represent this bhava. Scorpio house is the ninth sign. Foreign travel, postgraduate research, spirituality, father, brother-in-law, permanent guru, communication agent, long distance travel are ninth bhava. One should think and act honestly in any matter related to this bhava. Be honest with your guru father, guru, brother-in-law, and advice from them will keep you going. You go be act upon if it is dharma. The environment is conducive to make mistakes. We should clearly observe and act on this. Father's business can be done if this can be done in a fair way. If not, don't do it. Sagittarius house is the 10th sign. Business, duty, mother-in-law, position, and one's career area, all these aspects will be active through Sagittarius. This bhava can be attained through the father's family. Higher education is available through mother-in-law's encouragement. Birth takes it to the next level. 10th place works through friends' careers. Rahu's curse is there. Business related to Rahu and health disorders will be present in this family. Capricorn house is the 11th sign. The 11th bhava is a temporary stay and working together as a team. Male female hostel working with a team. Habits acquired through elder brother, friends, professions will strengthen the bhava of Capricorn when they involve themselves constructively with dedications and sincerity. If this bhava is provoked, the business will not only grow but also develop. Coordinating a group, monitoring a group, what each person is doing within them to avoid trouble, to strengthen healthy relationships, to promote unity, to maintain unity, to keep the group from disintegrating, to be involved and carrying as it deserves, to lead the group, all are these aspects. Managing or leading a group is not a normal thing, whether you like it or not. It is good to make proper use of the labor available through those connections, whether it is office work, spiritual work, service work, or any other work. Knowing what is the strength and weakness of this group and guiding it properly, engaging oneself for the good of the group and honestly leading the group safely for the benefit of others. This responsibility often falls to them. For them, this type of coordinating responsibility will be sought in the family or office as well. They should not miss it. They have the ability to keep a group together no matter how much it is tested. If they manage the 11th skill with wisdom, and if they handle it with technology and act, they will be successful in whatever business they take up. Elder brother friends will always have some work coming to them. If these burdens are handled comfortably, huge business development awaits them. Aquarius house is the 12th sign. Aquarius Bhava helps us to fulfill our desires, ideal, love, interest, desire to achieve something, etc. This Bhava is the Bhava of having a large circle of friends, the Bhava of human chains, the Bhava of many human connections, the Bhava of many professional connections, the Bhava of professional treasures, the Bhava of treasure. 12th Bhava is related to relationships of spouse in the 6th Bhava. The relationship got through maternal grandfather, maternal great grandfather, friend circle. Through these people you can attain your desires and goals. The fruits of our work is given by Aquarius Bhava. So through this Bhava you can attain the fruits of your deeds. When entering into a medical and paramedical industry, the available contacts should be used honestly. Having friendly relationships with doctors will give huge success. Friends circle abroad, life friends abroad and contacts through them will have a big human chain link through which the one can reach a great growth in career. The connections available through this bhava, if used intelligently and creatively, one can reach great heights. That is business lagana bhava benefits. Thank you, thank you, thank you.